Wait, let me see. Yeah, US30 wants to do its damage right now. TP here. Relatively colors. There you go. We just. This is a breaker. No wonder. Still we will not reach our optimal entry. Breaker. You know why it's a breaker, guys? Liquidity swap. Break of structure. Breaker. Down here. And there you go. That's why. Breaker. We just broke the short-term low. Taken out. Reversal. Price seek liquidity down here. We did not reach it by tick though. So let's just be patient. Price will come back here, guys. Just be patient. Yeah, we are way above on US30 though. So yeah, that's why price is dropping like that. So that's what I call a high probability breaker. Liquidity swapped, fell to beat this high. And all that. But let me check the 3-minute. Okay, let's be patient for price to actually come back to entry, guys. Let's see what price is trying to do here. Fair value gap here. The midpoint of this. Let's see what price will do here. Alright. Yeah. $50% fair value gap. That won't stop me for price from going down though. Just a retracement. Alright. Let's see now. We're still in our macro session time, which is silver bullet. Yeah, we're in the silver bullet time, guys. So silver bullets from 10 to 11. So once price ticks here, you can enter your cells here, which I'm just gonna tape read this because now it's not syncing with Nasdaq now. Yeah, I think this thing might just, for Nasdaq, might just be ranging, but it has to go all the way up and then come down again, and then we go up again. So yeah, let's just wait. Alright. Waiting for time to happen. Oh wait, let's see. Price come under 58, 50%. Right. Oh, price coming to test this fair value gap. Alright, let me just keep my stop loss here at 29 pips, just in case price comes all the way to test here. This is a breaker, so yeah. Just be patient, guys, just be patient. This is where discipline and patience happens. Wait for price to reach your entry. Price leaves you, then there will be an opportunity somewhere here. I've seen that happen quite a lot, so let's just be patient. Let the setup give you that entry that we are looking for. Because it is bound to happen. Alright, let's check the pre-minute. Still hasn't reached this imbalance. So, let's wait for another opportunity, guys. Now we're clearly we broke out of this now, so so now even give it an optimal entry now. Alright. Be patient, guys. Oh, somewhere here we'll be looking for entry or reversal. So let's just see what price will do here. The same thing happened here, guys. The breaker actually happened. So make sure you get what happened here. This is the breaker. Price, this is sell side imbalance, buy side insufficiency, right? So with my buyers being bullish, I got confused here because I was looking for buys. But when price actually broke this breaker here, see what I mean? Like sells here, and the moment price just breaks here, I would have entered here. This would have been my entry. Somewhere here, stops just above the, and we target the lows. Most of the breakers don't go into reversals, but or enter. So I actually missed an entry here, but it's okay. We snooze, we lose. What's happening here? Alright, Nasdaq, it's completely gone, guys. Nothing we can do about it. Man, what's up with my internet? Oh, me, I meant to fall back this morning. What the fuck? Alright, what's up with my internet connection? Yeah, hi man. Right, boys, let's see. Maybe here, somewhere here. Let's see what price do now by taking out this. It's actually perfect to sell, guys. So you're just risking 18 pips to make a nice risk to reward. Sell side liquidity here, and yeah, midpoint of this. So yeah, I'll actually sell the. How are you guys? Right. Let's see how price respects this. Price shifting down from there. Should see a turtle soup going down. Price did not give me a chance to even enter. Did I put him on the money? Hey, now you wanna return back there? Hell no. You close above here, then you are seeking the breaker block. Which is why I am not entering. So, alright. This TP second take profit. So let's just go down, baby. Just missed an entry. This is what I'm anticipating, guys. Yeah, price to come here, and go down like that. But if the possible comes where price just respects this and comes here, then I can still enter here and my stop loss above there. And price will see these looms here. So yeah, the worst can happen. The reason why I entered, because we have fair value gap here and it's actually respecting it. It's a massive rejection there, so price actually tested this. So what's the worst that could happen? So let's see. I think I'll close if price doesn't respect this. Now price is actually seeking this. Let's check what's happening on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute. 5-minute. Letting price open. Yeah, we're just stuck here now. Alright. Yeah, we're just stuck here, but we'll see. As you can see, with Nasdaq, price swap liquidity here, which is good. So, for those that want to enter, here's your entry. Target here, if you want. But I'm focused on US30 right now. Okay, what session are we in right now? Yep, 920 macro session 920 to 940. Right, so let's see. I should see price actually dropping from here now. Alright, now give me a chance to enter here. Now give me a chance to enter here. Well, we'll see. Hey guys, I think that's it for me. I'll send this on my group, but I'm already like 500 points in this, just this entry here. It continues to go down. This is already 1.5. Here it's already 2,500. Yep, I think. How many pips is this? 48 pips. This is where I put stop loss at entry. Let the trade do whatever from here right now. There's nothing is stopping price to actually attack this low and this sell side liquidity on the 5 minute. So keep in mind that price is actually going to take out this low, guys. It will not even take out this London's low. So why didn't I think about this? Alright. Yeah, 61.80. But with relative equal lows like this, same thing happened to Nasdaq. It can happen to US30. Just randomly just going. Alright guys, I think I'm done. I just showed you guys an entry, like how much. This is already a 1 to 3, which is my risk to reward. So I'm actually done. This is 1.5 on my broker, so yeah, I'm just taking partials, closing like 1.2, then I'll let the other one leave. That's it guys. Easy trade. I just wanted to get the nice optimal entry here, but I did not get it. So next time this type of things happen. Entry can happen down here, which I got here, and my stops are just above this. That's why I was watching this price. If price actually went above here, then that's an invalidated trade. Then I probably would have, because the price is maybe coming to test the blocker, the breaker block, and go down. It does happen most of the times, but yeah. Now price will be playing around here, or just randomly just push down, and yeah, take out this sell side liquidity. So I think that's it for me guys. Alright, ciao, good day.